Good morning, Vietnam. We are doing a little micro video, microdosing poker. The bankroll's not in a great state at the moment. The poker bankroll, but I'll get there. But a poor day, bad at the office yesterday. But it's all swings and roundabouts. These things happen. I have got the bankroll to play 10 and out, but there's only 2 tables going at the moment. And I got a hater. He was calling me out, saying that the micro 4NL tables are tougher than the 10. He was calling me a cherry piqueur. Do you believe that? I'm no cherry picker. I know, I'm picking a lot of fruit at the moment. Not much to talk about. Got there on the river. So we're going to make a quick assumption. Anyone sat on these tables that isn't auto reloading isn't very good. I don't think anyone. I've tagged him as not being very good, but I'm not going to assume any of them are particularly good. But time will tell. But that's the assumptions I'm going to go with so far. I do have my little codes. Yellow, half decent. Red, sort of an understanding for the game, but too many holes. And then orange, just poor. He's having a good old think. There could have been an argument to raise it up there with Kojak, but I'll pass. Not sure if this happens to other grinders, but it seems like if I'm going to lose a couple of buy-ins, it's going to be like the first 10 minutes I sit down. And then once I get into a rhythm, I don't know. I'm not sure if that's just something we're aware of because it happens. Trips is good. Let's stick in a little bit. Jack 9 suit's good enough. We'll just call there, but we will raise up our king. And we're going to bet at this. And we're going to bet at this as well. And we've hit it, so we're going to just carry on betting. And we hit our top pair, so we will put in a C bet. Take it down. He's got 90 pence behind, so I think we're going to follow him in if he does jam. He does jam. Oh, Jack Deuce. Spade or a 10? No good. Unlucky Chucky. We can sort of make the assumption, but now I am sure. So I didn't raise that, did I? So we'll see. I mean, maybe actually Jack 2, any two there, you're getting good enough odds, but on the flop, no, the flop was a poor move. Wow. Could be an argument for 3-betting these small pocket pairs. I'm alright. I'll play them passively, closing the action. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Queen for the straight up there. That's no good. So I think I will do a mixture of just 2 screens and 6 screens. So everyone's happy. Ace Jack is probably the bottom of my range for calling 3 bets, but I have got position and I have got a tag on him as not being particularly good. Just jams it in. Lovely. Rack up that variance. Wow. I gained a subscriber, but I also lost a subscriber, so I don't know what's going on. Obviously rubbed someone the wrong way. But it happens. Only 970 subscribers away till monetizing this channel, so that's no good. But I'm doing it for the lulz, really. I'm not after a buck. Too difficult. I'm also doing it so I can review my own game later on. I think it's beneficial for any poker player to record your games. This app I'm using, I think it cost me £40 for a year. I could have called there. Actually, could have called up there. I had a gut shot and a backdoor nut flush draw. But yeah, I don't know. Sometimes it's nice to just play quite tight. They seem to like paying you off. We'll bet on that flush draw down there and overs. Yeah, called. We're gonna carry on betting though. Momentum, 2 ways to win the pot like that. We don't hit it. We hit nothing. Tens, fair enough. Fair enough, like. Picked up a flush draw. Definitely gonna call. We miss it. We miss it. Not going to be doing that. We missed it. No. Yes. That one then. And we will raise that up as well. It was checked to us, so it's likely to have an ace. Not going to go for thin value. I do like the 4NL tables though. They've got a little bit more character. I mean, there's no one on the other, like all the other tables. I was grinding the 4NL tables for a little time, just to get back into the swing of it, really. And if you are playing at a certain stake, whatever stakes you are playing at, it's always advised to just, if you do want to work on your game, just drop down. Try out a few new tricks. Do we raise? I'm just going to call. Interesting way to play sixes there. I mean, I would have just let out on the flop. I do mix it up from either min raising or 3x in the button. I think it changes a great deal. Small 3 bets in position, larger 3 bets out of position. Keep it simple, stupid. That's not my range. I got taught about ranges the other day. That's not my range. Do I want to go with ace king? No, I'm going to slow play it. Maybe just as well I did slow play it. I don't like getting min re-raised pre. But I did have a shot at, a 20 an hour. Got my fat little fingers burnt. It's just variance. I don't think I played particularly bad, but I don't know. No, I didn't play particularly bad. But it's obviously higher stakes, larger variance, the bigger the pots. But also over a long time period, not just because of the larger pots, but also because of better players. I don't feel like it's actually a bad player at the table who took my money. It was aces against kings. What can I do? 40 quid gone. But maybe I could have folded it. I wasn't entirely sure because it was I think his he or she's um, four bet was just a jam, so it's obviously not balancing the range. But I don't know. I don't know. Don't think you're going to go far in the online poker world if you're folding King's Pre at 20NL tables. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I should have found a fold. I've made a note. Yeah, go on then. A little bit weak, but five-handed. I'll make that excuse for myself. What to do? What to do? Go on then. I'll look you up. Ace deuce. Well done. Well played. Little pot-sized bet on the river. Maybe, yeah, fine. It's tough to fold fold trips at a 4-0 table. I did see how much he sat on. Maybe it's taking a little bit of a risk getting in with 10s pre. But jacks. Isn't it ironic? That's alright. That's alright. Oh, I actually might slow play my aces here. Carry on slow playing the aces? Yeah, go on then. Jibbity jam jam. Jibbity jam jam jam. Jibbity jam jam jam. Maybe I just play bad. Again, another £2. Ace queen, I'll take a shot with for £2. £2, ace queen. Oh, kings, not my day. Not my day. Queen's no good. And just doubling up these little half stacks and the micro stakes. They're fantastic. I don't want no scrub. I'm not entirely sure how long we've been going for, but maybe another 10 minutes, call it. Another 10 minutes. No. No actions with my queens. Go on, I'll chuck in a C bet with my threes. Take charge with my ducks on the button. It's definitely more my range than your range. Jacks. I suppose a queen isn't as bad as an ace of a king, so I will stick in a C bet. We get called. And now he's leading for pot. Fantastic. I think I'm beat. Closing the action with 10 jack. Why not? And again, another ship on the flop. Bam. That's how you play poker. By not playing poker. King jack in the bottom. Maybe do something with that. Looking forward to the casinos reopen. Probably just play a couple of tourneys in all honesty. do when I do play live cash, I do play a lot tighter. Just because, in my experience, the tables play a lot looser. So you always want to play the opposite to how the table's playing. Rule 101. What's he talking about? Two pair. Come on, let's go. Let's dance. Obviously wasn't paying a load of attention to here, but he said the money left, so the guy that sat there was obviously softer than the rest. But that is the danger when you are playing multiple tables. You can still play your game, but you're not keeping an eye on as many things. Half pot and up and up. Slightly larger than half pot. C-bet. We will go for value here. River in the king. Aces on the button. Aces on the button. I can dodge bullets, baby. Phil Hellmuth, but no, I can't do a particularly good Phil Hellmuth. Taking it down. Taking it down. We have got Reeler. We do know Reeler. I think he's half decent. He's got the yellow tag, so he means it's half decent. Raise or call, both is good with the fives on the button. Fantastic. I'm in raise pre-flop. He probably just had a little bit too much for me to just ship it. Maybe turn my hand into a check once again. And now go for value. Oh, we hit set. Definitely bet. Bottom set. Lots of hands they can have that they can call me with. Or raise me. Even better. We will 3-bet our queens in position. We're getting called. I think I put in a raise. There's all types of draws out there. Not jacks, king jack. That's all right. That's all right. We will call the queens there. We'll call that large 3-bet. Hitting sets. Hitting sets all over the place. Maybe just check, eh? There's nothing to be scared of. Could have aces, ace king. Woohoo! Unlucky Chucky. At least I got a couple of wins in the end. Wasn't just doubling up little half stackers. Nice. Nice. And that's nice as well. That's nice. Let's check. Let's see what he does. God damn it. God damn ya. I think we're coming up to the half an hour, aren't we? Oh, it's over half an hour. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you soon.